to an auction a couple weeks ago. There was a bunch of parts trucks there. I bid on those trucks just enough that if I decided to just tow them to the scrapyard, run them across the scale, and sell them, I'd make money and cover my costs for the day. There wouldn't be anything that's going to ring the bell, make great money, but, you know, like I said, enough to cover the cost for the day. I bid them up to that price. The owners counter offered. The price was more than I was willing to spend just to sit on them for parts, so I passed. The Ford F800, the little red dump truck with the 8.3 Cummins that's so clean, I bid that thing up to what I thought was a high enough number for me. I really didn't want to go any farther. I knew who owned the truck. I knew what they wanted for the truck. I knew more than likely we couldn't get it bought because they wanted as much as they did. Well, here it is 2 weeks later, and we finally negotiated a deal. So I have come to terms with them on a price that I can live with. It's more than I initially wanted to spend, but I'm okay with it. I don't know how they feel about it. They made a big stink about it, like they're doing me a favor. Whatever the case, it doesn't matter. Don't sell it if you don't want to. But we are on our way. I'm going to go pay for it, and we're going to go pick it up and bring it home, and we'll do a really good walk around of that truck in its overall condition. So we'll get out here and get our paperwork, get our title done, and head home. Tire out of balance in the front end. Oh no. Nice truck. Runs good, handles good, brakes are good, goes down the road really straight. Might have either a tire slightly out of balance or maybe a slight bend in the rim maybe. Front end feels tight. Clutch feels good. Temperature is well below half. Right where I'd like it to be. Oil pressure is where I'd like it. It's charging. Tach, we're cruising about 2,000 RPM. Doing about 55, 56. I think it's a nice truck. Going to enjoy the drive home with this old girl. Good, temperature's good, oil pressure's right where it's supposed to be, I guess. This is a Ford instrument cluster, the Cummins, and they're just a switch. You either got enough or you don't. It's nice to have an actual gauge instead of their idiot gauges, because once you meet the minimum oil pressure, it puts it right there. That's it. I am home with the old girl. She did just fine. No complaints whatsoever, man. It just ran ever so sweet and did everything it was supposed to do. Just had that slight wobble in the tire, maybe from in the steering wheel, maybe from a tire. But I'm wondering if maybe the vents are somewhat plugged in the fuel tanks, because this side's wet and so is the other side. Otherwise, she did just fine. No problems whatsoever. So nice. It's got a pintle hook on the back with a trailer brake controller in the cab. Pretty good old girl all around. Well, I'm not keeping it. This one's going to go up for sale, so we'll go over it, get a look at it, and see if there's anything we need to address. Yeah, you can see that there, a little wet. So we'll get a look and see, and get her polished up, cleaned up, and ready to be sold. Hot days like today when it's over 90 and it's very humid. That's what saves us in an old Ford truck. Them things are fantastic.
So we have to move a bunch of stuff over one of our other properties. So he's using his new dump truck and his new trailer that needs some wood replaced. Because he just broke a piece coming off there, but he wants to sandblast it and paint it and put new wood on it. But don't have time for that today.
Now, aren't you afraid of me?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I need to put a wood deck on this trailer. I just broke that hardwood. It just snapped. I was trying to keep my...
You lost another piece of the deck, and then... Oh, no, it's this.
Yeah.
We put this there just so he wouldn't get his tires on these, but
yeah,
that didn't last.
Because these broke after we put the skid steer on, so we'll just do this when we load it up. Something like that.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
It'll work.
Let's get the ramps flipped up and park this at the other property while we're working here. Well, I gotta tell you, I am pleased as punch with this purchase. This truck runs good, it drives good, it handles good, and it is super clean. Like, we just don't get trucks this clean around here of this age. I mean, there's no rust under there. Look how clean that frame is. We do have a little bit of work to do. Not only are the back tires out of tread, but the side walls are, you know, getting pretty bad. So we're going to put some tires in the back, and we got a few other miscellaneous things to do, but nothing big. The thing ran and drove very well. It's so clean because it was owned by a landscape company, and they only did work in the summer with this thing. So, you know, it was garage kept the majority of its life, which is really, really rare around here. So we got some things to do. That front end's got a little bit of a wobble or something going on. We'll have to look into the tires. I'm going to swap tires on the front, see if that takes care of it. You know, so wheels and tires. If that takes care of it, we'll know it's in the tires, and we can either have them balanced or, you know, whatever the case. But I'm gathering parts for this truck right now to make some improvements to it. It pulled that deck over trailer with my skid steer really nice and easy. The 2-speed rear end works good. The transmission shifts good. The engine runs good. No issues on that at all. It's in really good shape. So I'm happy about that. I have it for sale, but honestly, I don't even care if I sell this thing because it's pretty handy. I like it's rust free. I like that, you know, it's a good sized dump, and I can pull an air brake trailer with it. I'll do a little work to the back to make it better, but that's okay. We can do that. I am gathering some parts right now. I think that trailer with that skid steer was probably 15,000 pounds, something like that. Wasn't very heavy, but it handled it just quite well. But I'd like to have something to move other equipment with, and this is nice and short too, so that might just suit. But I'm gathering parts right now so we can make some improvements to it. So look forward to that. It won't be right now, but in the next video or so you'll see some of the stuff that I've been gathering for it. But hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.